So a Toronto sandwich shop has a new item on the menu. It's a medley of "we don't like the government" with a side of "fuck the police." I'll have two, please. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mikey Mo, and I've been a Florida police officer for a little over 14 years. On this channel, I try to give some insight and some behind the scenes explanations of the job and how we do things on a day-to-day basis. I have no problem calling a spade, so you will get an unbiased take from me on all the topics that we talk about. If you do find any of this interesting, consider hitting that subscribe button and giving it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out, and so more people can see content like this. With that being said, let's get into the video. So, Canada. We don't really talk about Canada that much on here because, well, it's Canada.
Hey, fuck you, buddy.
So recently, a small sandwich shop by the name of Foodbenders, located in Toronto, decided to run a new lunch special. It appears to be a new meal called "We're Leftist Anti-Government with a Side of Fuck the Police." Now this sounded delicious, and I was going to buy a ticket to Toronto to try one, but according to online articles, the establishment has been closed recently. I wonder why. After posting this lovely sandwich board sign out front, the business has been met with many negative comments and reviews on social media. According to the owners, some of them have even been threatening. Well, gee, Karen, did you really think the public was going to welcome your hate with open arms and positivity?
No.
Now, the majority of the comments express support for the police, or the opposition at least of using the profanity on the sign, which was displayed on a public sidewalk for everyone to see. Now, the business has been no stranger to making their political stances known. They also had no problem responding to some of the comments left on their page, such as this: "Fuck cops, cop wives, and especially cop kids, and fuck you, good night." We have an original English scholar on our hands here, folks. So according to Foodbenders, here, "Fuck my 19-month-old daughter because her father happens to be a police officer." We've got a real fine human being here. Now, with that being said, you have your freedom of speech, regardless of how grotesque some may feel that it is, but, and with a big but, don't post something like this and then blame the results on the police. Oh, yeah. You heard me right. In a statement by the owners, they claim the backlash from this post was being fueled by police officers and went as far as calling the police for help. I mean, am I missing something? Is this just the new world we live in? I try my hardest to remain unbiased, but when you have this level of hypocrisy, I don't know how you can. I'm not even talking about her message or right to express it against the police, but saying that and then blaming it on the police and calling them for help, like I can't get behind that on any level. To me, it doesn't make any sense. Now, the owners made an official statement, which I'm not going to read word for word because it's kind of long, but if you want to pause the video and take a look, I have it up here on the screen. In a nutshell, they try to explain that this message is a political statement against corrupt and racist policing as a whole. It goes on, and unless I'm missing something, I don't really see anything which really says other than "fuck the police." All right, everyone, that's where I'm going to end today's video. As always, I'm curious, what do you guys think? Is this woman just expressing her freedom of speech, and should we accept it for that? Or is she a hateful, vengeful person who might just be a little unbalanced in the head? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope all of you are doing really well, and I appreciate all the continued support on the channel. So until the next video, you guys take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.